6 months without HVAC maintenance may not seem long, but the damage starts sooner than you think. Your system begins to work harder, pushing your energy bills up by 20 to 30%. Cooling efficiency drops, rooms feel warm, airflow weakens, and comfort disappears. Dust, mold, and allergens build up inside your ducts, circulating unhealthy air into your home or property. And worst of all, ignored issues turn into expensive breakdowns that hit when you least expect them. So, don't wait for your HVAC to fail. Protect your comfort and your budget with expert preventive maintenance from Hayatt Facilities Management.